Stanley, Scuba, Sailing, and Adventures. Here's a very quick look at how to install and access Dehancer in Adobe Photoshop. We'll accept the terms of the agreement, run the executable, jump into Photoshop and ensure that it's listed under Filter. We can see Dehancer here. Now when we're editing a photo, we can simply go up to the Filter menu, scroll down and select Dehancer, Dehancer Film, and that will pop open the interface that we're familiar with from editing our photos in Dehancer via Lightroom Classic. For a walkthrough of editing photos in this interface, check out my other video, Dehancer for Lightroom Classic. It essentially opens up the same photo editor. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.